yet another review. Look what we have here. Global pincher tongs. Very, very nice. I like them. Spring loaded, ready to go. Super high quality alloy stainless steel, made in Japan. Whether you're counting out espresso beans or moving on to something more important, like adding the last grape to one of your desserts, whatever you're doing, these tongs got it all. Very cool. And of course, in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Global's on sale now. There's some bonuses and some other things. Look around the website. There's a ton of other great things for chefs. Have a great day.